Want to personalize your Samsung Galaxy S24's notification vibrations? Here's how you can easily adjust both the vibration intensity and pattern to suit your preferences. Start by tapping the home button to return to your home screen. Next, swipe down from the top of the screen to pull down the notification shade, then tap the settings icon. Scroll down and select Sounds and Vibration. In this menu, tap on Notification Vibration. Now, tap on the pattern you want to use. You'll feel the vibration the moment you tap on any of them. To adjust the vibration intensity, simply drag the slider left to decrease or right to increase the intensity. Find the level that feels right for you, and you're all set. If you want your phone to stay silent for notifications, you can choose the silent option. Once you've made your choice, tap the back key to save your settings and return to the previous menu. Finally, tap the home button to return to your home screen. And that's it. Your Galaxy S24 is now set up with a custom notification vibration intensity and pattern that matches your style. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.